Morning class, today we're going to be working on putting. What we'll be doing is going through a few activities today with Alexa here, and after that we'll go ahead and conclude. But before we get into our activities, we're going to go into our warm-up. After your warm-up, we're going to get into groups of 2, and then we'll line up on the field and I'll direct you further from there on what we're going to do with our activities today. For the first activity, we'll be passing between each other, partner passing. What I want you to focus on, well, before you focus on anything, you can choose to either use a tennis ball or a golf ball, whatever you feel comfortable with. I just want you to get used to the swing itself. So use the ball or not use the ball, whatever you prefer. But make sure that you have your arms straight. You're gonna square up and you're gonna swing kind of like just a swinging motion. Keep it consistent, and you're gonna go straight through, and you're going to use these 2 poles to make sure that you are hitting straight. So if you want, go ahead and choose whatever ball you want, and then we'll have you go ahead and putt. So if you want the tennis ball or a golf ball, either one. Okay. And whenever you're ready, you can go ahead and start. All right. And so make sure that you are lined up a little further right there. Cool. So go ahead and try it again and try to keep it straight. Perfect. For activity 2, what we'll be doing is hitting into a target or putting into a target. You're more than welcome to continue to use the tennis ball. You can use the 2 golf clubs to guide you, or you can remove the golf clubs, whatever you prefer or feel comfortable with. What you'll be doing is just hitting the ball 10 times and counting how many shots you make into the target, and then after that you'll switch and your partner will go after you. So go ahead and begin. Okay. So when you do it, make sure that you're still following through with the swinging motion and controlling the power at which you swing. That was better. Go ahead and try it with one more time. Okay. Try guiding it straight through the poles. It's all right. You want to try the tennis ball and then go back to the golf ball? All right. Go ahead. See, perfect. You made that one. Let's try it one more time with the golf ball. You did a really good job today. I saw how you improved from the first activity to the next activity. In activity 2, you looked like you were a little more comfortable swinging the golf club, and then also you ended up hitting more balls in your target after a couple of tries. So how did you feel? Do you feel like you did better after the first activity? Yeah? Okay. Well, you can just continue practicing. I have a progression sheet that I have set up so you can continue using it for when we move on to our following lessons about how we can drive the ball, and then continue putting when we get into different activities later on in the week. So thank you for helping me out today.